I supposed to be doing here anyways? Wait, who are you? And what are you doing here?
I am Grant, the genie, and I have come here to grant you 3 wishes. And make sure to choose wisely.
3 wishes?
Yes, and only 3.
Okay, so for my first wish, I would like a larger one.
I've used my genie skills to turn you into a cat. Live your life as a cat.
Oh no. I'm now a cat? I want to become normal again though. Ooh, look, no! So you're a cat, right? Do you want to become human? Just do these 2 tasks. The first task is to climb and swing a rope successfully. And there you will find the second clue. Now, the second paper should be somewhere around here. Oh, okay, I got it. Now, for your second and final task, someone will have to throw 25 water balloons at you. Wait, water balloons? But I thought cats were afraid of water. Oh well.
Oh, there's one right there.
Oh, please work, come on!
What? She turned into a human again? No!
Hey guys, it's Anya
And Ekaterina.
and this week's theme on 7 Cool Tweens was cats! So I really hope you enjoyed this week's skit and hear the shout-outs from last week. Grant the wishes, shout-out!
Grant the wishes. Grant.
To get a shout-out in next week's video, comment down below what would you do if you were a cat. See you guys next week. Bye! Chica!
Chica.
What?